Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over some preventative maintenance to do before you start your trip. We're looking at the tires. Best thing you always want to do on any trip before you go is you want to check your air pressure. Doesn't hurt to check your lugs, especially if you have aluminum rims. And also just take a look at your tires, make sure the tread's good, you don't have any dry crack or anything like that. Simple processes to do, simple tools, that's all you need to look at. So checking tire pressure, you're going to have a valve cap on here. Be mindful that sometimes you have a green cap like this. That means you have nitrogen filled tires. If you have that, you want to make sure that you're not adding air, but you're adding nitrogen. So you might have to go to a car dealer or someplace that has that availability. Get your gauge. You're going to put these on there. See where we're at. Make sure you're within a few pounds of whatever your tire manufacturer spec says that it's max. We always recommend running it max. For instance, this one is at 65 PSI for its max. Right now it's reading 60 PSI. So you're in a good range right there. Anything less than that, you definitely want to add some air, or in this case, it would be nitrogen. Taking a look at the tires, you're going to make sure that the tires are nice and smooth like they should be. No cracks, no issues, no gouges. Any of that kind of stuff can definitely lead to a blowout. So we're going to look at that. Tread depth, you want to make sure you got good tread left on the tires there. These aren't as deep as a normal car tire, so putting that penny in there might not be as good of an example to show you, but taking a look, making sure they're not too worn, not too thin, that's always a good thing to do. Check all 4 or 6, however many tires you got on your vehicle. Definitely all good things to do. The last thing I recommend, check your lugs. If you got aluminum rims, anywhere from 90 to 100 foot-pounds of torque if you got a torque wrench, but it's always good just to go up there with a regular wrench. If you don't, make sure everything's snug before you hit the road. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.